today we got Banh gyros. We got some nice steak that we did on the grill. What we did was just heated that up as marinated steak, slice it up nice. Got some tomato, mayonnaise, there's the steak, a little soy sauce in it, jalapenos, red onion, some lettuce, some bacon slices, and a nice daikon and carrot relish, sweet and sour, and some cilantro. And we got these nice aluminum foils to make our Banh gyros. So, gyros. Got Wolfie here patiently waiting. So I got a little pan on a flame here just to warm up the Syrian pocket. Makes it nice and pliable and makes it roll nice. Don't want to get it over, crackly hard. Just to warm it up. Okay, so we got our nice pocket, nice and warm. And I'm just gonna put that there. And I add some of this nice steak. You can use pork, you can use chicken, shrimp, whatever you want. In this case, I just had some nice steak left over. Okay, and we're gonna put a little cilantro on top of that. Okay, and we got a nice tomato. Put that on there. A couple of tomatoes. All right. And we got some jalapenos. Just put like 2 or 3 sliced up. Some red onion. It's optional, but I don't know, kind of Gyro has a red onion in it. So just add a couple of those just for flavor. And then some lettuce. Okay, just drizzle that on there. You don't need a lot. And we're going to put couple of nice bacon strips in there. Okay. And we have our relish, our daikon with carrot, and we got our mayonnaise. Oh, we got a straggler. I love these. Just gonna pop that on there. You can use a tzatziki sauce or a sour cream. In this case, I got some mayonnaise. Traditional daikon. Usually like French bread. Then you want to kind of just roll this up, come over, come up, over, and then you can peel that top one back, start cooking it. To eat it. So that's what it looks like. So we'll go and wrap these up and make a few more. Okay, we'll show you that one more time. Got some steak. Slide up down the middle. Everybody's patiently waiting for these, but hey, you gotta wait. Alright, some cilantro. And then we got some tomato. Okay, a few pieces of sliced jalapeno. Some red onion. Right, some lettuce. Few slices of bacon, some daikon and carrot relish. The relish is just shredded daikon and shredded carrot with some white vinegar and sugar. Just let it marinate in the fridge. And top that off with some mayo. You don't have to be super fancy with this. Alright. Take it. Roll it, fold it up, roll it, and there you have a perfect banh mi gyro. Alright, so after a few minutes, we get these nice gyros all wrapped up. Wolfie's waiting, so I'm going to take one and just slice off a piece and see if he likes it. You ready, Wolfie? Come on, sit, stay. Go ahead. Oh, let's see if he's eating it. Wow. Yeah, he's digging it. Going for it. He's eating the bread, the meat, tomato. I think he caught a little jalapeno. Oh yeah, looks like he's eating it all. Even the daikon. You like that, Wolfie? Good boy. Alright. Yeah, he's digging it. Okay, everybody. Enjoy. Let me know how you make out.